Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Friend, in this video I will show you how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. So let's get started. Friend, to deactivate your Instagram account, first of all open Instagram app on your phone. Then tap on profile icon. Then tap on three lines. Then tap on setting and privacy. Then tap on account center. Now tap on personal details. Tap on account ownership and control. Now tap on deactivate or deletion. Select account. Now tap on deactivate account. Select deactivate account, then tap on continue. Now enter your account password. Friend, enter your account password. After enter account password, then tap on continue. Friend, now deactivate your Instagram account. Select one reason. I select too many ad, just need a break. Then tap on continue. Friend, confirm temporary account deletion. Now tap on deactivate account. After tap on deactivate account, your Instagram account will temporarily deactivated. Friend, in this method you deactivate your Instagram account. If you find this video helpful, please like video and subscribe my channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.